Guys, so I'll just show you my outfit of the day. Look at this beret. How cute is this? I'm feeling it. Excuse my room. I'm still mid-organization. Just ignore this. This is my outfit of the day. So just wearing Converse because I don't have any of the shoes that I feel like I want to wear. I do have boots, but I don't know where they are. So yeah, I'm wearing this with beret. Taking my MCM backpack with me. Gonna put some supplies in it. We'll go for a nice walk. I'm gonna take you with me. So let's go. So we're back out here. There's lots of dog walkers about. People walking their dogs and things. Yeah, it's nice to be outside again actually. Let's see, fresh. I'm gonna go down the thing that I said I was gonna go down the other day. I brought food with me and a drink, so I don't intend to be out longer than an hour, but you never know. Sometimes it can take a bit longer, can't it? So just protecting myself with some food and stuff. There's no one really here, like it's dead. There's two people walking there, and then that's it. But yeah, so I'll go and explore, see what's about. Please don't go down there. Damn it, they're going down the same way that I want to go. So this will be interesting. And I think he's going the same way. Oh my god, this will be interesting, won't it? But yeah, I'm gonna go for a nice walk and I'm gonna share this with you. So let's go. Just look at these views. How pretty is it here? I love this walk. Really nice. There's countryside all around you. It's a really good way to get some fresh air and feel good. These are farmers' fields. There's a path next to it though, that's fine to walk on. I'm not invading people's property, this is fine. How beautiful. I love it here. Oh. I hope you can hear me. I have my headphone in. I wonder if it makes a difference to the audio. I hope so. It's just so nice, and this backpack, the zip is a bit, I need to get it repaired. Okay, I'm just going to go into it like this. It's quite nice here. I'm going to sit for a bit and just enjoy the peace. You know, there's something to be said about the countryside. How peaceful and serene. Many people say they prefer the city. No. I much prefer the countryside. It's just so much more calming and relaxing. Where else can you find such serenity like this? Connecting with nature, I think, is one of the most powerful things you can do. I invite you now to enjoy a few moments with me in the countryside. Just focus on your breathing. I love nature! I'm gonna head back now. That was really nice. I enjoyed that. It cleansed my soul. I feel more alive. That was lovely. So tell me, what are you guys doing with your days? Let me know. I find it interesting. I'm going to end the vlog here. But as always, stay safe, stay productive, and stay positive. Love you all later. See you soon. Bye.